Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can make a super modern YouTube channel intro video in After Effects by your own. It's super easy and quick way to make it. Just follow steps to land. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a notification from my future uploads. You'll need to have or install Adobe After Effects CS5 or higher version for this template. I'm using After Effects CC 2015 for this tutorial. Watch this video till the end to make this modern looking YouTube intro video for your channel. So let's start. Click the download link in the description and download files. After download, unzip the file and extract. Open the folder and just double-click on the A file in the folder. After opening, simply go to the tagline placeholder named channel name and double-click on it, and change the text like this. You can also change the font or color of the text from the character window. Now save the project. Here we go. Our emotion logo is ready to render. Told you it was super easy and quick. Just go to the file and export and then add to render queue. In the render queue panel, select target folder and click render. After render complete, your logo is ready to use. You can add music later. Free music is always available at YouTube Audio Library. If you like my effort, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel to get more free stuff like this. Thanks for watching.